Happy Monday, chikahan mga kapuso! Certified record-breaking ang Hello Love Again ni Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo. Nalampas 1 billion pesos na ang kinita sa box office worldwide. At bilang pasasalamat, personal pa silang bumisita sa Global Pinoys. Makichika kay Aubrey Carampel.
Back in Canada, sina Alden Richards at Catherine Bernardo. Para personal na makita ang Global Pinoys doon na sumuporta sa kanilang blockbuster film na Hello Love Again. Jam-packed ang sinihan sa Toronto kung saan nag-meet and greet sina Alden and Catherine. Habang nasa North America tour, doon nila natanggap ang good news na nasurpass na ng pelikula ang 1 billion gross sales na kauna-unahan for a Filipino film.
We're very grateful kasi parang we didn't expect much. We just wanted to tell a great story and we're just so grateful with everything that is happening and has been happening. Kasi parang bonus po namin to.
That gave us hope na, sana magtuloy-tuloy to, na suportahan natin yung mga gawang Pinoy. Nakaka-proud lang na nagiging parte tayo ng ganon.
Tingin ni na Alden at Kath, bukod sa marami ang naghintay sa pagpapatuloy ng Ethan Joy love story, maraming nakarelate sa ipinakita nilang buhay ng mga OFW.
A lot can relate to it. Maraming Pilipino all over the world. Kaya joint forces talaga tayo for this film and it's very relatable and parang with the characters and the scenes that we were able to showcase within the film, I think one way or another, meron matatouch yung buhay.
Bago yan, nagkaroon din ng meet and greet sina Alden and Kath sa Carson City sa Los Angeles, California.
We're just very happy and we're very fulfilled na the support that we've been getting is far beyond our expectations.
Every time may mamimit kami, kita mo lang yung warmth ng lahat, like masaya lahat sa nangyayari sa Philippine cinema, which is really a good thing.
Aubrey Carampel, updated sa showbiz happenings.